Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to enable your two-factor authentication for your Fortnite or Epic Games account on your iPhone or Android phone. Really easy to do. So you guys just want to pop open your web browser really quick and just head over to epicgames.com. Then you want to log into your Epic Games or Fortnite account really quickly. Once you've done that, you want to click on the three lines here and just click on your account above where it says available on PC or Mac only. Click on the account. Then you just want to click on the account tab here. Going to open up this page right here. You just want to click on the little back button really quick, and then you'll see under all these options, you'll see an option for password and security. You want to click on that. Once you're on that, you want to scroll all the way down, and then you'll see an option for two-factor authentication, and then you'll have either an option to use an Authenticator app or SMS or your email. So for this example, we're going to use the Authenticator app. I recommend Google Authenticator. It's the one that I use for all my personal stuff. Really easy to use. So first things first, you want to click on Enable Authenticator app, and then you're going to have an option for a QR code here or a manual key entry. I usually just do the manual key entry. So we're just going to copy that here, just like that. Click on copy. And now what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our Authenticator app. So I'm just going to open up Google Authenticator here. Click on the plus option at the top right. Click on manual entry. And then you can just put here Fortnite. Just like that. And then you just copy that key, or sorry, paste that key in that we just got from epicgames.com. Click on done. And then click on the check mark here. And then you'll see at the bottom it says Fortnite there. So we just copy that code. Click copy. And then head back over to Epic Games. And then you just want to click on here where it says security code, paste that security code that we just got from the Authenticator, and then click activate. And then as you can see here, it says Authenticator app enabled. You have now set up the two-factor authentication for your Epic Games account. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.